Hi, I am keen to learn more few steps.
Hi there again. I hope that you are started the series I recommended to watch in my previous video. Here are the next easy steps.
1. The most essential moments to send good messages to your subconscious mind are when you wake up and when you go to bed, so plan ahead of time. Make an investment in yourself starting now. 2. Helping others is the same as helping yourself. It's as easy as that. If you scam someone, it has to come back to you 7 times over. Remember, everything you do to someone else, you do to yourself. That is the rule. 3. Remember, your attention is your currency, guys. So, do your best to pay attention only on good things. 4. Try not to overthink, as your mind is both incredibly intelligent and foolish at the same time. Although many people do not accept it, it is true. Your ego seizes control. I'll be releasing a video shortly on ego control because we are all caught up in our egos without even realizing it.
5. Request that no one approach you in the early morning. But if you live alone, consider yourself quite fortunate. When you first wake up, avoid reading your messages unless absolutely necessary.
6. Because everything is profoundly ingrained, learn how to reprogram your mind.
7. If you can, meditate for at least 15 to 20 minutes each day. Check out the countless videos on YouTube where people are explaining how to if you don't know how.
It could seem like an effort to certain people, but it is really not. You're shifting your perspective.
I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the coming video for something fresh.